Pavers are better than concrete for so many reasons. The first, of course, is aesthetics. They are absolutely beautiful. They come in so many different shapes and sizes and can create so many different patterns and different looks. Things that we can do with pavers, you simply cannot do with concrete. Furthermore, just from a strength perspective, pavers are so much stronger than concrete. There's a saying that the only guarantee with concrete is that it will crack or break. Absolutely not going to be the case with pavers. Pavers have to be a minimum of 8,000 PSI, meaning they have to be able to withstand a minimum of 8,000 pounds per square inch of pressure before they're going to crack or break, which is typically 4 times higher than the strength of concrete. So with the strength, with the beauty, pavers are the no-brainer option.